Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to talk about rice water for extreme hair growth. Now there is so much to rice water. It has so much of vitamins, it has so much of minerals that your hair needs. So today I am going to be telling you guys what rice water does for your hair and how it improves your hair growth. I'm going to be showing you the entire process on how to make rice water, when to apply and how to apply. So if you'd like to see this video, all you gotta do is keep watching. So guys, about rice water. Rice water is from the ancient Japanese kind of ladies. They have been using rice water for a really long period of time. They have been using rice water, but in the fermented version. Now there's two ways to use rice water. The old Japanese ladies, what they used to do was to take their hair in like a whole type of bath bucket, and they used to dip their hair inside. That's why when you watch Chinese movies, you always see they have very luscious hair. This is the reason why they've been using rice water from them days. Now when we found out about it, it was like so late, but we can always try it and do it and just see results of like really luscious hair. So your hair will be like hair extensions, but in the real form. So guys, the process on how to make rice water, there's two ways. You can get fermented rice water and you can get normal rice water. Now normal rice water is if you're impatient like me, but I suggest you go in with fermented rice water because that has got more nutritional value. So guys, the first process is going to be the impatient process. So if you are impatient, you can use this. Take 1 cup of rice. Remember your ratio for this mixture, for both mixtures, is going to be 1:2. So 1 cup of rice is to 2 cups of water. So use the exact same cup so that you know the measurements. So what you're going to do is just take 1 cup of rice, go down to your sink and wash the rice. Make sure you wash it clean. If you feel the rice is still a bit dirty, add in some salt and cleanse it. Cleanse your rice and thereafter throw the water away. I have done this 2 times. You can go in and do it more than 2 times. Thereafter take your rice and put it into a little container. Remember that container needs to be tight so that nothing goes inside. Thereafter what you want to do is go in and just mix it with a spoon. If you have a mason jar, close your mason jar and shake it up. Shake it up. I didn't have a mason jar, so I put it in a little container and I just took a spoon and I mixed it. Thereafter you want to close it and leave it for at least half an hour, and thereafter you can use it on your hair. Now the next process is the fermented process. This is a highly suggested process. What you're going to do is exactly the same. Take your rice, 1:2, your ratio is 1:2 again, 1 cup of rice into 2 cups of water. Clean up your rice. Clean it up and thereafter throw the water away. As again, if you feel your rice needs more water, you can go in and just cleanse it and cleanse it. If you feel your rice is still a bit dirty, throw the water away and cleanse it again. I do this 2 times. Thereafter what you're going to do is you're going to drain the water and you are going to keep the rice. So once you're done with that guys, add in 2 cups of water and you are good to go. Now you can stir and mix this continuously, but this mixture you're going to let it sit for 24 hours.
Much later.
So guys, after your rice has sit, transfer the water only into a little bottle. Try your best to get a spray bottle because that works really well. Also a little goes a really long way with a spray bottle. So guys, about the smell, it stinks. It smells really bad because it is fermented rice. So if you cook, you know of rice really smells bad. So what you're going to do is go in and add in some citrus. So if you have any type of oils, you can add in the oil, but if you don't have that, you can go in and grate in the lemon peel, the orange peel, and just take that and throw it inside and it will smell really good. I generally add lavender drops so that it smells really good. So guys, about the process on how to apply it, I would have showed you guys the process, but it's really unethical for me to hop into the shower and show you guys. So guys, what I do before I take a shower, I just rinse my hair a little bit in the sink. Thereafter I apply the rice water and I mix it into my scalp. So like this, I just go like that and like that onto my scalp, and thereafter I just let it sit. So in that time what I do is my flossing, I clean up my teeth, I also like do a little bit of cleansing on my face. So you can do a lot of that in that time. So guys, I approximately leave this for half an hour to 1 hour onto my hair. The longer you leave it, the better for you. Thereafter, what I do is I hop into the shower, wash with shampoo and wash with conditioner, and I just rinse everything out. If you feel that you do not have enough time in the mornings or in the afternoons to do this process, what you can do is before you go to bed, apply the spray onto your roots. So put it in a spray bottle and apply it into your roots. But by the time you wake up in the morning, everything is like dried and it's perfect, but your scalp is getting rice water. About the nutritional value of rice water, I'm just going to pop up a screen right here so you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. Guys, these are the reasons why rice water is so good for your hair. There are hundreds and hundreds of reasons why you should be using rice water, but these are just a few reasons as to why you should be using rice water on your hair. Guys, know that this does not take a really long time to grow your hair. It just needs a month and you will see rapid growth onto your hair. Personally, didn't realize that this was so needed onto my scalp. I am losing a lot of hair, if you can see. I am losing a lot of hair, but this grows the hair, so it's not there to stimulate hair growth. It may create new follicles of growth, but it takes a long time, I guess, for that to actually happen because I am not seeing any growth on new hairs. So I guess that is not for you. So guys, rice water is not for stimulating new hair growth. It just grows out what you actually have. So guys, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video.